In this video, I'll demonstrate the easiest fuser reset method to remove the 980 error message for all OKI laser printers. The way of using our fuser reset chips for all other OKI printers is the same. Our fuser reset products cover all OKI product ranges, from small A4 mono models to multifunction A3 color models, executive models, and even white and neon printers. Visit our website and search for your printer model to purchase a compatible reset chip. As you can see, this printer is currently displaying the service call 980 error message. To reset the 980 error message, you'll need to install a fuser reset kit either on the printer or on the fuser unit. For multiple machines or multiple times fuser resets, our plug-type fuser reset kit is even easier to use and more cost-effective per reset as it can be used up to 10 times. However, in this video, I'll demonstrate using our fuser reset sticker chip to reset the message. This sticker type reset is the most cost-effective if you need only one fuser reset. To install the reset chip, firstly, power off the printer and take the fuser unit out. Then, flip it to access the fuser connector on the bottom surface of the fuser. Next, insert the reset chip into the connector. And use the installation tools included in the reset kit package to shape it correctly. Once the chip is installed, it will look like this. Put the fuser unit back into the printer, and turn the printer on. Now, you can see that the 980 error message has been removed, and the fuser life has been reset back to 100%. It is that simple. Join us, and effortlessly save thousands of dollars for yourself over your printer's lifetime, while making significant positive contributions to our planet.